Today we're taking a close look at the GoPro Hero 10 vlogging setup. So here is the GoPro Hero 10. It's a pretty amazing camera, very good quality. And let's go over some of the other pieces here. So this is the Volta. This is a battery pack. So in case you run out of battery on the GoPro, this can charge it up. It also acts as a tripod. You can see here, you can open it up and let it sit. This does rotate as well, so you can get that positioned in any position that you'd like. And you notice the GoPro started charging up here because I accidentally hit the button. So we'll close that up. You can put this actually on a tripod. And so this is the media mod, which comes with a built-in microphone. And this is the light mod, which you can attach right onto the cold shoe mount on the top, or even on the side here. So this is the light. It's actually pretty powerful. It has 3 settings and a flicker setting. So let's just get that attached right back in and give you a closer look of like what that looks like here and on the back. So on the back here, this is a USB-C port. So that's where you'll be charging up the GoPro. And this is an HDMI out port. And here you have a audio mic jack in, so you can use an additional mic if you wanted to, and you could probably get much better sound quality rather than the built-in one. But this one is actually really good. I've done some tests with it in the wind, and it does a pretty amazing job. Let me just quickly, oh yeah, and also on this Volta, you can open that up and mount it. We'll just close that back up. Just quickly unscrew this thumb screw. Give you a closer look at the media mod. So as you can notice here, you can flip these down and you can open this up here and the GoPro slides right out. So when you use the media mod, you do have to take off this side door so that the USB-C can plug into this USB-C. So we'll just get that attached again and locked in. And there you go. So yeah, if you're looking for a cool vlogging setup, I would definitely recommend the media mod as well as the light mod if you're going to be shooting at night, and the Volta to get that extra battery power and something stable to hold. But yeah, I think talked a little bit about that. Definitely would recommend it if you're looking for something like this.